watch the violence, you'll never get desensitized to it.
Just tell me when the scary part's over.
It's over.
When you're watching a movie, if someone next to you keeps making noise, would you get angry? That's how Homer felt. So Marge got angry and yelled at him. On the way home, no matter how much Marge apologized, he remained silent. Finally, after dropping the family off at their doorstep, Homer drove aimlessly onto the interstate. Eventually, he arrived at a bar. All he wanted then was a bottle of beer. Just then, Lurlene's voice felt as if it were tailor-made for Homer.
For some old man, sweat and break your back.
Yeah.
Then you go home to your castle, but your queen won't cut you slack.
That's true.
Lurleen stepped off the stage and looked at the silent audience with a disappointed expression. Just then, Homer rushed over and told Lurleen that her song had deeply moved him. The two talked until dawn. After saying goodbye to Lurleen, Homer drove home. At work, Homer kept humming that song, completely unaware that, because of him, the entire power grid of Springfield had fallen into chaos. The next day, Homer went back to Spittle County and knocked on the door of Lurleen's trailer. He said her song had been stuck in his head and asked her to make him a copy. Then Homer took Lurleen to a CD store and had her song burned onto a disc.